Hello my people, una welcome to my channel. Abeg make una subscribe for more news. So Chioma don test positive for coronavirus. For those of una wey be say una no know Chioma na Davido fiancé. For those of una wey be say una no know Davido wey I dey talk about, Davido na that Nigerian musician, that Omo Babalowo, the founder of 30BG gang. So recently Davido and Chioma travel, though Davido no go the same place wey Chioma go. Davido go America, Chioma come go London with their baby Ifeanyi Adeleke. So after they come back from London, Davido still come back for America. Due to the issue of coronavirus, they come say make they do checkup with people wey be say they still dey around them, and everybody wey all of them still dey, they come go check up for coronavirus. So all of them wey they do test. Davido own come out negative and the rest, but Chioma own come out positive on the 25th of March. Na they do the test. They come say Chioma get coronavirus. So how we take know this news? Recently Davido post am for his Instagram page say his wife get coronavirus. But make una no worry, I go put the write-up and I go read am out. Maybe say una go know wetin I dey talk about. Make e no be say some go say na lie. So I will write am, I go read am out, make una hear am. So may I read am? E say, "Hi everyone, I came back recently from America, and after cancelling tour, my fiance Chioma also came back from London recently with our baby. We had no symptoms and still both feel perfectly fine. But because of our recent travel history, we decided to take ourselves and our all close associates we had come in recent contact with for the COVID-19 test on the 25th of March. Unfortunately, my fiance's result came back positive, while all 31 others tested came back negative, including our baby. We had, however, doing perfectly fine, and she is even still yet to show any symptoms whatsoever. She is now being quarantined, and I have also gone into full isolation for the minimum 4 days. I want to use this opportunity to thank you all for your endless love and prayers in advance, and to urge everyone to please stay at home as we control the spread of the virus. Together we can beat this love." So my people, una don see am, and I go still read out the comments wey people come dey talk. So some people come say mama is fine, God is with you and your family, sorry, she will be fine. So my people, this thing na real. Abeg, any country wey you dey, not talk say because I dey Africa or I dey anywhere you dey, una stay house. Una no dey waka, make una stay house, because this disease wey be say if e enter body, e hard to cure. Make una dey house. So my people, make una no forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Una help me subscribe to my YouTube channel for more video. So see you on my next video. Love you all.